Parang pare-pareho. If you do not, again, under verbal ability, question number 1, if you do not secure the documents properly, you might blank them. If you do not secure the documents properly, you might blank them. A, lose. B, lose. C, loss. D, lost. A, lose. How do we pronounce that? S, no? Yung sound sa dulo. Lose. B, lose. Parang Z naman. C, loss. D, lost. Come on, you may start typing in your answer in our comment section. I want you to be honest in answering. I want you to monitor your score, your answer, whether you will be getting this correctly or not. And if any chance that you will be getting this, you will be getting an incorrect answer, please try to remember that. Isulat nyo na para hindi na malimutan. Grabe. Number 1 pa lang. Parang iinit na ang ulo ni coach. Parang ito pala dapat talaga yung focus natin. With analogy. You are so good with analogy. Very confident in answering. But with this one, I am I am at a loss. I'm at a loss. Again, try to read the question carefully. If you do not secure the documents properly, hindi mo iingatan yung mga dokumento, you might blank them. A, lose. B, lose. C, lost. D, lost. Come on. Brandick C. Nico, lost. Patrick A. Erickson D. Erica C. Elinar C. Oh no, what's happening? Batin, lost. Marcos C. Lost. Lost. Azura D. LAD, Citadel, Aram, Diaren. Okay. Delisa C. Rivian D. Jessa B. Azura as well B. You have different answer for number 1. Number 1 pa lang to. Parang for tonight's video, for tonight's live, wala ata tayong confident. Coach 1 of 1. Mervin, Rose, Jessa, Raifa, Marco, final answer na yan? D. Krisa, C. Lost, adjective, verb, something is missing. Is that so? Again you have here, if you do not secure the documents properly, you might blank them. John Bench, lose. Rizam, D. Roel B. Althea B. Jessa B. Yan na ba ang final answer nyo? Remember our rule, when we are dealing with modal verb, what are those modal verbs? Like might, may, can, will. We have to use the base form of the verb. Verb, we are referring about the verb. Marco B, final answer. Nako, in your examination you are only be given one try to answer, one chance in answering. That's why you have to be very careful. Read the question carefully, observe, let's say our indicators. Store enough vocabulary. Marco B, Noel B, Merang. Hi, Merang. B, Riami B, Bernadette B. Okay, shall we reveal the answer for question number 1? If you do not secure the documents properly, you might blank them. What is being talked about in the sentence? What is the sentence trying to tell us? Diba? Ang sabi niya, the sentence talks about the possibility of misplacing or no longer having the documents. Angeles A, Vernon B, Cyrus B, Donesa B, Jessa, final B. Okay, let's try to reveal the answer and justify why it is the correct answer. Perhaps, na-confuse lang tayo. Bakit? Coach, kasi parang if you're going to read it, it's very confusing because of the spelling perhaps. They really look the same, our choices, right? Lose, lose, lost, lost. Yan. Mm. You are just going to check, those who did not change their answer from the first try, for the first comment. Your first comment should be considered your answer. Okay? So, why lose? LOSE. What does it mean ba when we say lose? To fail to keep or retain something. Correct sentence, you might lose them. Right? Bakit mali yung ibang sagot? Yung letter A, the letter A, it's giving. When you say loose, Coach Risa, you are wearing a loose shirt. When we say loose, diba? Adjective siya, which means not tight, diba? Free, yan, maluwag. Example, loose shirt, loose rope. Yung loss naman na letter C, come on, di ba yung loss? It's a noun, it's not a verb. And it's for example, when we say loss, financial loss, no? Ano pa? Yung lost naman na may letter D, past tense siya nung lose na sagot natin. May ano siya, may might. We have might in the sentence. You might blank them. If there's modals like this, our structure is that might plus base form of verb. Kaya ang naging sagot natin letter B. Lose. Sa grammar rule, remember, after modal verbs like might, may, can, will, base form ang kasunod. Lose. Yung lost kasi, letter D, ano na siya? Past tense siya. Hindi siya present tense. Okay? Yung lost na letter D, it's the past tense of lose. Okay? Do not forget that. Example, pag gagamitin natin yung might, the modal might, plus base form ng verb, might go, might happen. Okay? Do not forget that.